bet this spot looks familiar to you, but I bet you didn't know that there's a trail right next to the Bedford High School. I'm located at the intersection of Nashua and County roads. This 1-mile trail out and back is easy to traverse. It's not marked or blazed, but it's definitely easy to find, and the path is certainly easy to follow. Just over 11 acres of land, the school district put this trail into conservation to mitigate for the wetlands when the high school was built. If you're a high school student, you just need to get out, take a break from your classes, this is a great trail to do that. Come over with the family, or if you have a school group you want to take out into nature for a little bit, this is a wonderful trail for that. It runs behind the Bedford Bluffs, so in the summertime you'll probably hear the kids having fun. It also traverses behind a few residential properties, so just be mindful of that. But I think you'll be surprised where you come out on the other side. You'll cross a bridge, you'll have a beautiful view of a wetland, and you can come back to where you have plenty of parking here. Get out and enjoy this little SAU trail, hidden but seen right next to the Bedford High School. Come out and enjoy it.